everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a really easy way to transfer any kind of text or font onto a piece of wood. So I got this piece, just a cheap little 99-cent piece from Walmart, and I stained it with this wood stain that I've had around for gosh knows how long in the color Espresso. The only other thing I'm going to need besides this is a sheet of paper with whatever I want printed on it. Lastly, you're going to want a ballpoint pen. I feel like they work best for projects like these just because they make the lines a lot smoother and a little more noticeable. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just take some 3M tape so that it's easy to peel off and tape it down in exactly the place that I want it to be. This is an important step just to be sure that you're not moving the paper around while you're trying to copy anything, and also just to make sure it is nice, clean, and crisp throughout. The next thing you're going to want to do is finally just start tracing. And you're going to want to push down as hard as you can so that you actually leave an imprintation of the text on the wood behind the paper. Don't be like me and mark and get tape all over your text so that when you're going over it, it doesn't become as big of a deal. Now finally, once we remove the tape, if we look up close, we can actually see all the indentations from the letters that I made. So now would be the time that you could go over it with some sort of paint or maybe a paint marker like I'm going to do and essentially copy down this font. Overall, I think it actually matches pretty well, and I'm quite pleased with it. I just added a couple of extra pieces on the side just because I didn't feel like it took up enough of the space. But overall, I'm actually quite pleased with this. I think this would be great if you were trying to create some sort of sign or any decor piece for your home or as a gift for somebody. So if you enjoyed what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe, and maybe I will be seeing you in my next video. See ya!